Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this video, I will show you how to scanning QR code using Android smartphone. First, you can install QR code scanner and typing in Play Store. And I'm suggest you to using QR code scanner by Batchasoft. This is one of the best QR code scanner in Play Store. You can click open after installing, and then you can just click no thanks. If you decide to buy premium, in here I will try to scanning in some packaging that have a QR code in here. Let's try. You can try to more far. You can see there, after you scanning, there is have a text code like this. And let's try to another QR code. Okay, I'm using this. That's all. Tutorial how to scanning QR code using Android smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.